everybody, welcome back to the channel. So sometimes I tell you about what happened with the Type R. Had a little accident with it. I was driving down the interstate, I think it was 680, and like I said, I always talk about this all the time, about the debris on the roads. And sure enough, by myself, piece of debris rolls right in front of me at the last minute, and I hit it probably about 75, 80 miles an hour. And it's one of the things it's one of those things where I saw it, but I just didn't have time to really think about, like, oh, this is rolling in front of me. Should I swerve? What is this? Like, you know, you're identifying it. Long story short, had a big scuff. Luckily, the PPF it protected the paint, so I was able to wipe off the majority of it down lower. But you can see, and I thought I was okay. Looks like underneath here, there's a couple clips missing. Overall, the lip was okay. It sounded more inside the car than it did, like I said, than when it physically seen it. So anyway, I thought I was in the clear, and it was only about a week, 2 weeks later, I was washing the car, and I was like, huh, why is there a gap here? The fog light. And I go on the other side, and I look at it, and I said, this side doesn't have any gap. So then I thought maybe the cover was loose. And then look at this. That's right. Fog light. This one doesn't move at all. So the housing is definitely broken. Try to go behind here to see if I can do anything from here. So my next task is to just replace the fog light. I ordered the light. It was about $200, unfortunately. But could have been worse. You know, I could do this myself. I think the bracket is broken. So I'm gonna go in here and replace the lens. So the first thing you want to do, you're going to lift and pull this off. You're going to pry. Obviously I pre-did it because it took a little bit of work to get this off, but this was a little tough getting this part off. From here you can expose, and I could definitely see what was damaged in here. All right, your next thing you want to do is get in here. I think there's a clip right there. I'm going to have to use my light to see. Yeah, so there's a clip I need to get undone, and then it looks like, what else is in here? It looks like there's a couple of different looks like there's a couple of different clips inside here. By feel, you can feel that there. Yeah, so I need to push these out, bend these, and let's undo this one. So I got my trim removal kit. I'm gonna try see if I can get if I can pop that in here. Remove this piece. If I can slide that in there. I have a smaller one. Well, it somewhere. It's right. No idea where that went. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna do is just remove this piece. I'm gonna push and pull. It'll take some work. Small trim piece tool. Okay. Let's give it a little yank. Okay. All right. So now that that's off, now I can take a look at the fog light. You can see here the screws, and there it is. It's broken right there. So it's supposed to sit like this. I think that's where it's supposed to sit. It's broken. So we're going to unscrew that and unplug it, and hopefully it'll be done. Swap it out. One screw. Two screws. Fog light comes out. Unclip it. Okay, that was easy. All right, so we got a new part here. Make sure it fits. It's important to make sure you get the right hand or left hand version. For one, the way that the ears are set up for the screws. Second is the way that the light beam is going to be distributed. So I'll get this here plugged in and just do reverse order and get this thing reinstalled. Reinstallation should be simple, just snapping everything back in. Obviously I'm going to test the light before I do that. So let's get this plugged back in. And turn on the light. Make sure that works. There's some last minute, just not the right shape, but there's some PPF on the light to protect it from rocks and things. One more screw in the bottom here. So one screw here, one screw down there, one screw here. It's only two screws. The rest of this thing looked like it was intact, so no damage there. And like I said, reverse order for this. Pop that back in. Should just snap in. Okay, need to replace that piece. Unfortunately, I just can't find it. And I checked. It just flew somewhere. Luckily, I have an assortment of clips and fasteners. So I'm going to replace it. And this looks like the one. All right. Next, hop this piece in. And that's it. So I guess this could be similar instructions if you're planning to do swap out your fog lights for yellow ones or do a film, for yellow, things like that. If you found the video helpful, just give me a thumbs up, like, and things like that. Just shows the video that you appreciated it, and the algorithm, it just tells other people to, click on it. Anyway, thanks for watching.